It was the last weekend of September 2001, and Mont Tremblant Park would soon be closing for the summer season. I was determined to get in one last weekend before the closure, so I and my old truck made the 200-plus miles up to the park. I had asked my wolf spirit to be kind to me, and he was. 2 wolves jumped out of the forest and onto the road in front of me. This is a shortened version of what followed. And then there was a wolf called Gano, who was half Arctic wolf and half gray wolf. Dr. Bider, founder of the Eco Museum at St. Anne de Bellevue, had gotten the wolf as a small pup from Kananaku, Quebec. He had plenty of animal friends, including his little female friend, a hybrid wolf. The coyotes could always be counted on to help with the howling. A play session invariably followed, with Gano exercising his status as pack leader. And of course, the caribou across from him could provide a little entertainment with pretend chases. the winter, with so few people around, Gano seemed to enjoy my company. I had a special relationship with him. I really loved that wolf. We would look into each other's eyes and communicate silently. It was very special.
Hello, Gano. Such a beautiful boy. Oh, gee whiz, look at that. Hey, he's my good boy. Hey, Gano? Gano, good boy? Yeah, he's a good boy.